Hey everyone, welcome back to TechBite. Today, we're checking out a smart tag. Its name is quite heavy with some alphabet. ANNNWZZD Jeeps Smart Tag. Anyway, this little gadget is designed to help you easily keep track of important items through Apple's Find My app. Let's get right into the unboxing and see what it offers. First, let's open up the box. Inside, we have a pack of 2 smart tags, each with a sleek, minimalist design. And it has even included key rings for each tag, which is a nice touch. This means you can attach these tags to pretty much anything. These smart tags are super easy to set up too. Just open the Find My app, hold the Tags button for 3 seconds until it beeps, and within seconds, it's paired and ready to use. No complicated steps, just a simple setup that's compatible with Apple iOS. Alright, let's attach one of these to a key ring. It's quick and secure, making it perfect for keeping your valuables safe. Plus, if you ever leave your item behind, you'll get a reminder within 10 minutes so you can track it down before it's too far away. With a Bluetooth range of up to 100 meters, these tags give you peace of mind wherever you go. And if your item is nearby, you can even play a sound to help locate it instantly. With its practical design and powerful tracking features, this is a must-have for anyone who wants an easy way to keep track of their essentials. We've got it all set up, ready to go on my keyring. Stay tuned for the next video, where I'll be putting this little gadget to the test with some real-world tracking. Goodbye.